What's up, everybody? We're going on a ride with our good friend G-Rec. Say hi, G-Rec. Can't get it started.
Got a battery issue, it's dying. You should be able to fucking turn over without it, but it ain't got enough to give it, it ain't got. I'm about to lose my shit, dude.
We're not too far.
It doesn't have a stop on it. It'll just jump. Too old for that.
Yeah! Look out, everybody. I got it! Oh. I'll bring it to the house. Now bringing out the Triumph instead, baby. I have no idea where we're going. I'll let you lead. Yeah, the Triumph. Sick. So we're gonna go down to a place called the, I have no idea. I can inform you on that later, possibly in the description if I forget. But yeah, it's your local bar, and my clutch does not want to grab. Fucking pissing me off. We're gonna go down to a local bar down here, and we're gonna grab a drink. Hopefully that asphalt doesn't start breaking.